Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn the basics of generative AI versus agentic AI versus AI agents. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So generative AI refers to the models that can generate new content such as text, images, music, code, or the video based on the data that we were trained on. Okay, so basically generating a new content. Key features: trained on the large data sets, output is probabilistic, no real autonomy or the goals, responds to the prompts but doesn't act on its own. So it depends on the prompt, right? So examples like ChatGPT, text generation, DALL for the image generation, GitHub Copilot code generation. Use cases: writing blog posts, summaries, creating artworks, generating product descriptions. Now we have agentic AI. Agentic AI refers to a system that acts autonomously towards a goal. So it has a goal. This is these are system plans, reasons, and the take actions in a dynamic environment. So take actions also. They can also use the tools, make decisions, and adapt. So has a goals and the sub goals, capable of planning and the reasoning, can call APIs, write files, send mails, etc. Often uses generative AI under the hood. So, like example, Auto GPT, driven by cognition, AI that book flights, handle emails, and the writes plus execute codes. So, this is agentic AI. Use cases like personal AI assistant that completes tasks end to end, research assistant that browses the web and summarizes the findings, business automation like replying to the emails, scheduling the meetings. So, this all done with the help of the agentic AI. AI agents, then what is AI agents? AI agents are the software programmers designed to perceive environments, make decisions, and take actions. The term AI is broader and can include both generative and the agentic capabilities depending on the implementation. So, may or may not be generative, may or may not be agentic. Core idea senses the environment and takes the actions. Example: the chatbot in a customer service portal. Okay, so whenever we have a chatbot, that means you are asking some questions and they were replying for that one. A self-driving car decision making system. Okay, AI playing games like the StarCraft or the Go. Use cases like industrial automation, game boards, robotics. Let's take a look about the features with the comparison. So the autonomy, generative AI, no. Agentic, and it varies for the AI agents. Goal oriented, definitely it's not, and both are goal oriented. Content creation, yes. Often uses generative AI, it depends for the AI. Takes actions, no. Yes, yes. And the examples are the chat GPT and the DALL, Auto GTP Devin, and the AI agent is like Siri, Tesla Autopilot. Environment awareness, limited. Yes and yes. So I hope you get the clear, like little bit, like what is the generative, agentic, and the AI agents, right? I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.